Yakovlev Yak-130, Advanced Trainer and Light Fighter. The Yak-130 Mitten is a Russian-developed subsonic, twin-seat jet designed for advanced pilot training and light combat missions. It bridges the gap between basic flight instruction and operating modern 4th and 5th generation fighters. Advanced Training Platform, fly-by-wire system simulates aircraft like Su-30, MiG-29, and Su-57, covering up to 80% of a pilot's training curriculum. Modern avionics features a glass cockpit, HUD, helmet-mounted sights, and open architecture for upgrades. Combat and recon, easily reconfigured for light attack and reconnaissance roles, offering operational flexibility. Hardpoints, 9 total, supporting up to 3,000 kilograms of weapons. Weapons suite. Guns, SNPU, 130 gun pod. Air-to-air, R-73 infrared missiles. Air-to-surface, S-8/S, 13/S, 25 rockets, FAB, M62 bombs, KAB, 500 KR guided bombs. Support, electronic warfare pods, external fuel tanks. Export flexibility, compatible with Western weapon systems. Speed, max 1060 km per hour, Mach 0.93. Altitude, up to 12,500 meters, 41,000 feet. Range, 1,600 km standard, 100 plus km with fuel tanks. Agility, handles plus 8G to -3G, stable at high angles of attack. Field operations, operates from short, unpaved runways with rugged gear and protected intakes. Yak-130M variant, adds radar, enhanced imaging systems, and expanded precision weaponry, boosting its light fighter role. Strategic advantages. Cost-efficient, lower flight hour cost than frontline fighters. Dual-role utility, trainer and combat-ready. Autonomous deployment, minimal ground support needed. Safety, 0 ejection seats for crew protection. The Yak-130 stands out as a technologically advanced, cost-effective, and versatile aircraft, ideal for both training and light combat, making it a smart choice for modern air forces.